Very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, Procedures in Logo. First, what is procedures? You can make this logo command to remember the sequence of commands that will be repeated again and again, and it can be used for future use also. So this is the procedures. That means when you wanted to repeat something, to repeat the same command to draw something, you will use procedures. So understanding procedures, to write the procedure there will be an input box in the area where you type the logo commands. You can also edit commands using this. Okay, procedures are written in the separate editor or input box. Okay, see here, this is the input box that we already input commands, but if you click on eDial, you will get displayed a separate box. Okay, edit command but eDial command button, the commander window will get opened. So here you will start to type the new procedures. The procedures will always start with to and will end with end. Okay, it will already be displayed in that screen itself. Okay, it will come as a predefined one. To and end will come as a predefined one in that commander window. Next to you have to give the procedure name. For example, now we'll be writing a few new procedure. Okay, so here next to we will be writing, can we draw a square? Yes, to draw a square we'll write 2 space SQR. Okay, so the command name is SQR. You are creating a command for SQR. To SQR and then type enter. Then this cursor will come to the new line. Then you start typing. Here, to draw a square, we have to repeat the same steps. That is FT, move forward 100 steps and turn to the right 90 degrees. And again, if you repeat these steps 4 times, our square will be automatically drawn. So we will use the repeat command. Now after that we will save the document, we will save the command or procedure, and then we will come out. Here in the command box, if you simply type SQR, because you have created a procedure for SQR, right? So if you type SQR, the square will automatically get drawn in your logo screen. Okay, can you see the square? So this is how you have created a procedure for SQR, and as soon as you type SQR in the command input box, square is automatically drawn. It takes the command or the way from the procedures that you have already saved. Okay, now after you close the logo screen also, you want this procedure to be saved. For that, what we should do, we will follow some simple steps to save the procedure. Okay, to save the procedure, first you click on file, and then save. Okay, as soon as you click on save, the save as dialog box appears. So over there you will choose the correct location or the destination folder where you wanted to save that procedure, and then after selecting you type the file name, and if you click on save, the file will automatically get saved in the location that you have selected. Okay, after you close and open the logo also, it will be there. Now we will see how to erase or delete the procedures that we have already saved. Okay, you made some mistakes or you wanted to delete it. For that, click on erase from the file menu, click on erase, and then you will go and search for the procedure name. You will go and search, the list of procedure names appear here. You will search for your procedure name, and then if you click on enter, it will get erased. Okay, now we will see how to load the procedure. To load the procedure means whenever you open the logo screen next time, this procedure should get loaded, right? If it is not getting loaded, you wanted to load it. So if you click on the file and load option, the dialog box appear. Here you have to type the name and search for it. And if you click on load or open, this procedure, whatever you have saved, will get loaded in the logo screen. Okay, you wanted to reuse it, no? For that you are loading the procedure that you have saved already. To create the procedure, it is the same process what I told you before. Okay, now we used repeat command while we did that procedure. Yes or no? While we typed the procedure, we used repeat command. Now we will see what is the use of repeat commands. See, to draw a square, first you have to type FD 100 and then turn to the right 90 degrees. Again move forward 100 steps, turn to the right 90 degrees. Again move forward 100 steps, turn to the right 90 degrees. And again move forward 100 steps. Then only that square is complete. So you are repeating the same steps. FD, move forward, that is moving forward how many steps you want, and right 90 degrees. So this is repeated 4 times. Yes or no? For that we will use to tell the computer or the logo that each procedure in a separate way, we will use a simple command, that is repeat. Okay, we will type repeat and then we will count how many times the same command is repeated. Okay, so see, if we use this repeat command, it tells the turtle that you have to repeat the steps whichever I have given these many times. So we will type repeat and then the total number of times that command has to be executed, and then the command repeat 4 times FD 150, FD 90, RT 90, and then close the box. Then that repeat will repeat those steps whichever you have given in the bracket 4 times, and the square is automatically executed. Repeat can be used how many times, how much ever times you want. Okay, you can use 2, 5, 10, how many times ever you want. Okay, so this, whatever the commands that is getting inputted, that you have inputted in the square brackets, only will get repeated if you use this repeat command. Okay, let us try to draw some more shapes using this repeat command. We will draw a triangle. For that, to draw a triangle, you will repeat the steps 3 times. Okay, how many times? 3 times. And in the square brackets, what you will tell, you will tell the what is that, turtle to move forward 100 steps and turn to the right 120 degrees, and move forward 100 steps, turn to the right 120 degree. Again move forward 100 steps, turn to the right 120 degrees. If you complete this procedure thrice, your triangle will get drawn in your logo screen. For this we will use repeat. How many times we have to repeat? 3 times. And in the square brackets, whatever the command you have to repeat, you will type, and then you will close the square brackets. As soon as you type enter, this triangle is automatically drawn in your logo screen. We will fill the command. We will like to fill the shape whatever you have drawn. Yes or no? For that we will use 2 commands. First, we will set the fill color, and then we will use the fill command. Okay, to set the fill color, that is, we are setting the color that you are gonna fill inside the shape that you have drawn. Okay, so what are the 2 commands that I told you? Set FC and fill command. It will help you to fill colors in your drawing. So this setfc command, how to use the setfc command means, setfc space any one number, that is from 0 to 15. In logo, they have already assigned a color for each number. Okay, from 0 to 15, they have already assigned a color. That these colors are given here. So if you type set FC space any one number, that fill color will get set as whatever color you have selected. Okay, so the color, whatever color you have selected, it will get set. Now you are ready with the color. Next, what we have to do is we have to fill the shape with that color. Yes, so to fill the shape, you have to get the turtle inside the curve or inside the shape that you have drawn. You will move the turtle inside, and then if you just simply type fill, that color will get automatically filled in your drawing. Okay, what you have to do, you have to bring the turtle inside the shape which you have drawn. Okay, without drawing a line, you have to make the turtle to lift the pen, that is pen up, and move the steps. And then if you type click, I mean if you type fill, the color will get filled inside the shape. Whichever the color you have chosen using set FC will get filled. That is all about today's class. If you have a system, just practice. Thank you, children.